Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare for website security, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Cloudflare for website security, start by signing in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one on the Cloudflare website. Once logged in, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Click on the Add Site button to proceed. Select a plan that suits your needs, and click on Confirm Plan. Cloudflare will scan your DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records for accuracy. Make any necessary changes, then click Continue. Next, log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once the name servers are updated, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. You will see a message indicating that your site is active on Cloudflare. Now, go to the SSL/TLS settings in your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the option that best fits your needs, full is a common choice. Next, navigate to the Firewall section. Enable the Web Application Firewall and set the security level to medium. Click on the Rules tab to add custom firewall rules if necessary. Then, head to the Rate Limiting section. Enable rate limiting to protect your site from excessive requests. Next, go to the SSL/TLS settings again. Ensure that Always Use HTTPS is enabled for secure connections. Now navigate to the Speed section. Enable Auto Minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML to enhance loading times. Turn on Brotli for additional compression benefits. Then, go back to the caching section. Set the caching level to standard or aggressive based on your website's needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.